Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're tackling a pesky problem that many of us face: cockroaches. But don't worry, we've got a natural solution that's as simple as garlic and alcohol. Let's dive in. First up, garlic. Did you know that these little cloves pack a powerful punch against cockroaches? Their pungent smell is something these critters can't stand. Here's how to make a garlic repellent spray. Start by chopping up some fresh garlic. The more, the merrier. Now add a few drops of dish soap to help the mixture stick. Next, fill your bottle with water. Give it a good shake and soak the garlic for 20 minutes. This allows the smell of garlic to fully dissipate and blend into the liquid. While we wait, find a small spray bottle at home. Make sure it can spray evenly. Now, carefully pour the garlic mixture into the spray bottle. Remember, we want to avoid the minced garlic from clogging the spray tube. And voila! Your cockroach repellent spray is ready. Just spray this solution in corners and areas where you've spotted cockroaches. Not only does it repel them, but if you spray them directly, it can clog their respiratory system, taking care of them for good. Now, let's talk about alcohol. Rubbing alcohol is another effective tool against cockroaches. Just spray it directly on them, and it disrupts their internal balance, leading to a quick end to their roachy reign. But wait, there's more. You can also use other household items like soap and vinegar to combat these pests. They're natural and pet-safe, making them perfect for your home. So there you have it. Garlic and alcohol are your new best friends in the battle against cockroaches. Give these methods a try and say goodbye to those unwanted guests. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more natural pest solutions. See you next time.